Yo, boys, what's up? It's not easy being green. Kermit the Frog here. Where's Mickey? Oh, I'm here. Oh boy, howdy ho. Welcome to the clubhouse. Mickey Mouse here. About to drop. Let me tell ya. Oh boy, welcome to the clubhouse. In this jam, I'm gonna call the Stanley Man. Here we go. Gotta figure the mystery. Gonna call my friend Pluto. Here we go. Daphne, Daisy, Danny, and Ed Goofy. Hey, let me tell you something in the flow, yo. It's Mickey Mouse in the clubhouse. Gotta find the mystery tool, you know, cause we can't find the mystery in this flow. Let me tell you something, got my friend Minnie. She's my wifey from the 80s. Let me tell you something, got ADD. I gotta figure out this mystery. Oh, Pluto, here he comes in. I gotta call my friend Pluto. Daphne and Donald, he's a little moody. He's gonna have the Zoloft cause he's in misery. Let me tell you something. Until the next time, sing the song. Hot dog, hot diggity dog, man. We got Snoop Dogg in the back, yo. Hot diggity dog, this is Mickey Mouse. Mouse. Kermit the Frog on the streets, man. It's not easy being green on the streets, man, when you're trying to be a gangster but a cartoon. I'm just a puppet from the 80s. With my friend Ricky. Let me take the rickety-tickety. Yeah, got my old friends like Big Bird and the Cookie Monster. Yeah. Got the garbage man who's really grumpy. Let me tell you something, I'm the very good man. Miss Piggy never lets me out of the house. Her ugly nose, she needs plastic surgery. Yeah, man, she lets me out of the house for 5 minutes, man. What the crap? I'm just going hard on the beat. Cause I'm good in the G-Easy. Hey, I'm just green. I'm just trying to keep the flow easy. Kill man, donkey. Guess what ogres have? They have layers. So here we go. I'm green, I got weird ears. I can make candles out of my earwax. I make stacks in my lair. Yeah, I got princess in the house. Farquaad back in his place. He's like 4 foot tall. Donkey, get back here. They're gonna let you get the stacks here. Get your big bug teeth in your mouth, man. I like onions. They have ears like ogres. Let me tell you something about it, man. I wear a stinky garment. Yeah, I wear a stinky garment. My raps are better than Post Malone. Let me tell you, just leave me alone.
SpongeBob here. I got Squidward. Watch SpongeBob. Let me tell you something about my job. I work at the Krusty Krab making Krabby Patties in the back. Yeah. I'm ready to get on this track. Just ready to rap with my friend Patrick. What, SpongeBob? Just gonna hit it. I'm ready again. Back rewind. Let me tell you something. Yeah, I make Krabby Patties with the secret formula. Don't tell Plankton I said this, but it's crab meat. Little sucker, he's like 2 inches tall. He needs to get taller. Mr. Krabs on the track. Bob, let me tell you something about it. We're gonna off this track tomorrow. So in the first from the best day ever. Don't we stop? Goofy on the track, man. All I do is mess up. Can't do nothing cause I'm such a screw up. Hey, My friend Mickey Mouse has had my back since '88 when I arrived on the streets of Compton. Let me tell you, yeah, I got a son. He's pretty cool. Let me tell you something, yeah, I know Notorious, I know Tupac, I know Kanye. Let me tell you something, I jumped off a bridge, did 4 backflips, survived, no drips, just dripping. Got my Jesus piece on, yeah, my Rolls Royce rolling up to Disney World. Let me tell you something, I'm gonna send you for a world. Hey, Ruh-roh, Shrekky, rubbing the Shrek, man. Got my Scooby snacks, man. Ruh-roh, running from the villains, hope it ain't Miss Renfro. Ruh-roh, Shrekky, here we go, Daphne and Daisy in the Scooby. Mystery, got the Scooby Snoop Dogg in the mystery machine. Gonna hop in my friend's arms, man. Got my Scooby snacks, gonna hunt for the villains, man.
Here we go, ruh-roh. I'm scared of the dark, yo. Let me tell you about my flow, yo. Ruh-roh. Here we go, then gonna ruh-roh. Yeah, here we go. On the track with my other friends, man, from the 90s and the 80s, ruh-roh. Here we go. Daphne dropped her glasses. Here we go. I'm back on this track. Not the dripping. My jaws are flipping. And the dripping. Flipping it up. The ruh-roh. Here we go. Swaggy on the ruh-roh. Got my Scooby Snacks. I love Scooby Snacks. I love Scooby-Doo.